Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun show. This is your weekly AI news briefing for the week ending July 6th, 2025. Our first major story is a groundbreaking one for the robotics sector. Genesis AI, a new venture founded by a Carnegie Mellon Robotics PhD and a former Mistral AI researcher, has just secured a staggering 105 million in seed funding. This record breaking investment, co led by Eclipse and Khosla Ventures, highlights the immense confidence in their mission to build a universal robotics foundation model. Genesis AI is targeting the global physical labor market, an astounding 30 to 40 trillion market, a trillion with a T, at an estimated 95% automation potential. This is not just about incremental improvement, it's about a fundamental shift in how physical labor will be performed by advanced AI. Next, we turn to a significant development from Microsoft. The tech giant has confirmed plans to lay off approximately 9,000 employees, representing 4% of the total workforce. What's particularly notable here is that Microsoft explicitly stated that AI is a direct replacement for these human roles. This marks the company's fourth major workforce reduction since early 2023. Simultaneously, Microsoft is investing a massive 80 billion in AI infrastructure for fiscal year 2025, and remarkably, 30% of internal code is now AI generated. This clearly illustrates a strategic shift where AI is central to their operational efficiency, even at the cost of human jobs. Milestone, becoming the world's most valuable company. Their market cap now stands at an incredible 3.92 trillion, close to 4 trillion, surpassing tech giants like Apple and Microsoft. This represents an eightfold growth from their 500 billion valuation in 2021, just 4 years ago. To put this into perspective, Nvidia's market cap now exceeds the entire UK stock market combined. This achievement underscores the critical role that NVIDIA plays in the AI revolution, with the chips powering the vast majority of AI development and deployment globally. Moving to policy, a significant decision has been made in the US Senate regarding AI regulation. The Senate voted 99 to 1 to remove a 10-year moratorium on state AI regulation. The sole dissenting vote came from Senator Tom Tillis of North Carolina. This move was opposed by 44 bipartisan state attorneys general and has been lobbied for by many big tech companies. The implications here is profound. This decision preserves the state's authority to regulate AI technologies. This could lead to a complex and potentially fragmented regulatory landscape across the United States, significantly impacting the future development and deployment of AI. Meta is doubling down on its AI ambitions with a substantial investment. The company has announced a 300 million investment in a new AI research lab. This lab will focus on Meta's AI capabilities, particularly in generative AI and machine learning for social media and metaverse applications. This significant investment reinforces Meta's commitment to the AI race and is set to intensify competition with other major players like OpenAI and Google. Shifting our focus globally, China has made a strategic move in the AI landscape by open sourcing its Pango AI model. This initiative aims to boost global adoption and enhance China's influence within the broader AI ecosystem. The Pango model is particularly strong in natural language processing and multimodal AI capabilities. By open sourcing it, China seeks to democratize access to advanced AI tools and potentially challenge current Western dominance in AI. In a colossal partnership, OpenAI has entered into a staggering 30 billion cloud computing deal with Oracle. This agreement is crucial for OpenAI as it will support the rapidly expanding computational needs for training and deploying large-scale AI models such as ChatGPT. This collaboration will significantly enhance OpenAI's infrastructure, potentially accelerating their AI model development and deployment. It also signals Oracle's increasingly vital role in the competitive AI cloud market. Amazon continues to lead in automation, having just deployed its millionth robot. Think about it for a minute. The millionth robot in its warehouse operations. This incredible scale milestone highlights their ongoing commitment to integrating AI into the logistics. New AI systems are now optimizing warehouse operations, leading to improved efficiency in sorting, in packing, in delivery processes. This integration of AI driven robotics at such a massive scale is poised to take new industry standards for logistics and automation, with implications far beyond e commerce. Moving into scientific breakthrough, this week, AI is enabling remarkable innovations. Researchers have unveiled an AI engineered paint that can reflect sunlight to cool surfaces by up to 20 degrees Celsius. This breakthrough has immense potential for energy efficient applications in buildings and vehicles, offering a new avenue for combating rising temperatures and reducing energy consumption. Teams from the University of Tech Austin, the Shanghai Jiaotong University, the National University of Singapore, and the Umeå University in Sweden led the research. Another significant scientific advancement powered by AI is the discovery of a new material capable of efficiently removing radioactive waste. This AI driven research, led by Korean researchers, has profound implications for nuclear safety and waste management, offering a safer and more effective method for handling hazardous materials. In the realm of social media, X, formerly Twitter, is leveraging AI to combat misinformation. The platform is currently testing AI generated community notes to enhance its fact checking capabilities. The goal is to more efficiently address and counter the spread of misinformation. If successful, this initiative could significantly improve the accuracy and speed of content moderation on X, potentially setting a new standard for AI driven fact checking across social media postings. Finally, we'll look at the growing monetization of AI tools. Perplexity AI has just introduced a premium subscription plan called Perplexity Max, priced at $200 per month. This offering provides enhanced AI search capabilities and advanced features specifically for enterprise users. This move reflects the increasing value being placed on advanced AI tools and signals a trend towards making sophisticated AI search more accessible to businesses while also prompting questions about overall affordability and access to cutting edge AI. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching the weekly news on the AI with Arun show. Like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think.